Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Ranita and I love playing Red Dead Online, anything Red Dead related, and I am here for it. So this month of September, we have a major focus on the bounty hunter role, and it's going to be awesome because we are going to be getting 2 times cash, gold, and XP until September 30th, and I'm honestly here for it. Last month was all about the collector's role, and I was just running around the map, grabbing as many things as I could just to finish up sets. I was able to actually get quite a good amount of money and buy quite a few items that I really wanted for my character, and that was really awesome. But we all know that the hardest thing to get in RDO is gold, especially if you don't want to pay for it, and this is like the perfect month to actually build up on your gold and go and get those limited edition items or hard to buy items. We can just go and get as much as we possibly want this month. So let's get into September and see what this is going to be looking like for us. So the very first thing over here, this is the free roam events. Now you want to be participating in events like Manhunt, where you're searching for targets, or Day of Reckoning, because this is where you're going to be getting twice the amount of cash, XP, and experience points, obviously. And that's going to be great because that means that you can also just build up on cash and, have some fun with that. This is especially if you're like a new player, like me, kind of like now I'm at level 100, but it's actually taken me quite a while to come to level 100. I think it's actually going pretty fast, especially because of the collector role. Last month, I really was building up experience points like crazy. I think I went from like level 70 to 100 like last month. So that was actually pretty good. So this month, I want to focus on my gold and I want to farm my gold as much as possible. So I'm going to be talking more about that as we go along. But basically, you're also going to be getting a pair of black and white Schaefer chaps, and they actually look really, really pretty. I'm looking at them right now on the character. It kind of looks like a deer kind of pelt over there, but I think it looks really nice. Let's get into the weekly and monthly bounty rewards. If you rein in an infamous bounty, then you will gain 3 potent miracle tonics, 50 split point repeater ammo. You can also complete a legendary bounty and you'll get 3 hawkmouth bolas, or if you finish your bounty hunter challenges for 3 days in a row, then you will also receive the tan and black leave it jacket all before September 30th. Now I actually have not done the 3 days in a row thing, so I definitely want to be finishing that up because that actually sounds pretty interesting. I think I would like to get a new item showing up in my box, like so I can just dress my character. I really enjoy dressing my character up and matching her outfits to my horses. That's something that all my friends know. If you're playing with me, you're going to see my horse and me matching all the time, and I really enjoy doing that. So anyway, here what we're going to be getting between 3rd and 9th of September is the beige morning tail coat. Between the 10th and 16th, we're going to get the 3 Gravesend bolas. If you play between 17th and 23rd, it's the 50 shotgun slugs. September 24th to 30th, a brown boutel hat. And all of this is going to be delivered within 72 hours of completion. So you want to be making sure that you're getting this, make sure that you go and check that you have this with you if you have actually completed the requirements for all of this, because you don't want to be missing out on that. Now, let's come into the 4 times experience on featured series. This is probably the most, cool thing I've seen in a while. So if you're looking to level up here, this is also the time to do it. But of course, the hardcore thing is not for everybody. I don't usually enjoy playing hardcore, but I guess if you are someone who likes doing this, then yay for you. I'm probably going to try a little bit harder now, though, since I'm getting 4 times the experience. So here we basically have between 3rd and 9th September, the Hardcore Pro Series. So here we have on the 3rd and So here we have between 3rd and 9th September the Hardcore Pro Series, and then between the 10th and the 16th we have the Hardcore Pro Series 2. Between September 17th and 23rd we have the Hardcore Pro Series 3. And then, of course, the last week, which is 24th to the 30th, it's going to be Hardcore Head for the Hills. So securing a win in this series will reward you with the black Dilhay hat. And I believe that this is, like one of the hats over here, maybe in the photo. I couldn't be too sure about that. But yeah, let's move on to what else we're going to be getting this month. Now, the bounty hunter obviously needs an outfit, right, to go with this. We do have some that have already been put together for us by Red Dead Redemption, but, we can always use a fresh wardrobe. Okay, so this is so exciting because you know that I love dressing up, and this month we have a community-inspired outfit by Dawn Mosh. That's a YouTube YouTuber and a big RDO player, and I actually really like the outfit. So basically what we're getting is the Kennedy hat, which you can see my character trying on over here. It's going to be the gray one, and I don't normally go for outfits like this at all, so it's always interesting to see what other people come up with, because usually for me it's very colorful, very floral, and really happy. Now over here, these are some limited edition coats, and because it's all just, you know, me paying money for it and I had enough cash, I thought, okay, maybe I can, you know, go and get this at a later time. I don't think it's going to cost that much. It should be about 1,300 for all 10 of them. Then of course I came down here and I found that it was the Walden coat in this gray color that we're going to be getting for our community outfit as well. And I'm just going to move on from there to the ponchos just to see if there's anything interesting here. So it looks like the ponchos this month are actually on sale. So if you are looking to get, you know, all of that in, then go ahead and do so. But I come over to the shirts over here and we're getting the Winford shirt waist, and yeah, we're gonna get it in gray as well. So you can see the, you know, the main thing here is just all gray. It's become very monochrome here. No complaints though, because the final outfit really looks beautiful. So this is the Hopeman vest over here, and yeah, also in gray, and I thought that it really looked good with this shirt. I don't think I've ever worn it like this, so I was really interested in the final look of the overall outfit here. So yeah, you can see these are the skirts. Just moving on past the dresses and coming into the pants section. Now this is a limited edition pants that are now available, and I decided to get every single one because they honestly look so pretty and so colorful. This has nothing to do with the community inspired outfit, but I did want to show you all of the items that you actually are getting this month as well, because there are some limited edition ones. So those pants are so pretty. I'm going to style them this month, so if you want to see me play, then stick around, you know, just, you know, styling all of that. But yeah, I'm just going down here to the fitted pants so that we can get the free you know, pants. So this is the one again in gray, looking really good so far. And I'm moving on into the next section. So we're going to be obviously looking at boots. Now there is a limited stock, like limited edition here. I really like these boots because they've got horses on them, and I just could not resist getting every single pair. So yeah, I just went in and I bought all of them, and I love them. I think they're really pretty, really fancy and interesting. But of course, we're here for the community inspired boots as well. So I'm going all the way down to see which ones those are. I believe that it's going to be, yeah, there we are, Serrata boots. And I bet it's the gray ones. Oh no, okay, so it's these ones, okay. But I mean, I think it goes really well. It matches really, really well. And now we have the chaps that are going to be going over that, because I know that I did see that in the list of, you know, items for the community outfit. So I'm just going over there to pick up my chaps. Now we're getting the Becca half chaps here, also in a gray kind of color. And I think that, you know, all in all, it ends up looking really pretty and really nice. And of course, here I saw some furred gloves, limited stock, so I decided to check that out as well. We have different colors. You can see what all of them are looking like. And I thought that, yeah, I would just like to get one of these, because I know that one of the items from here is actually coming from some of the outfits that I think are already owned. So I knew that I wasn't going to be getting the gloves from this outfit from here. I think you have to actually buy some of the stuff, and I don't think that I actually have gotten it yet. Yeah, that's basically that for this month's community outfit. You know, I'm gonna just go and show you what my character looks like wearing this outfit as I run around town and enjoy myself. And of course, if you want to go and pick up some of the bounty hunter outfits, these are all on sale right now, so this is also the time to just stock up on that if that's something that you're interested in doing. I actually like some of the lower level outfits. As it gets higher, it kind of ends up becoming a little bit too intense for me, but I do think that these are still some really, really nice pieces, you know, that you can use in other outfits as well. Bear in mind that the Concho Pants, Irvin coat, furred gloves, Calhoun boots, Monasco hat, Hopeman vest, the Danube outfit, and the Tasman outfit are back on sale for a limited period of time. So this will only be until the 30th of September. I hope that all of you were able to get those beautiful corsets and, you know, everything else, like the skirts, the hitched skirts. Last month, I really slogged to get all of that, and I'm so happy that I did, because, you know, now I have more things to play with for my character. characters, and I love dressing them up. So that's a huge thing for me. And also one more thing to mention is that the Wackeney hat and the Thorogood gloves are only available as part of their respective outfits. So you will have to go and get those from the outfits that they're part of. And, that's how you're going to be able to complete this entire thing. I also want to get into the horses that we're going to be having offers on this month. So over here you can see it's the riding ones, and you can see these are just, like the Kentucky Saddlers, the Morgans, all of them are on sale right now. And of course Tennessee Walkers. So if you like these horses, then you can go and get them for a little bit cheaper. I don't really feel like these are very expensive anyway, so it doesn't really feel like the best deal to me. Now the Mustangs on the other hand, yeah, even here $78 is not really that much. I think for the horses that actually cost gold though, like this black overall, I feel like that would be a lot more worth it to me because you're not spending as much gold. I feel like $300 also is pretty much nothing once you've actually been playing the game for quite a bit. So again, if you're a new player, then you probably want to be looking at these deals and considering, what you want to get. I also saw that the vehicles are on sale, so if you want to go get those, you can. The Bounty Hunter, one is on sale too. So all of these are great deals. Again, if you are a new player or if you're looking to expand more into this role, it's the perfect time to do so. And of course, the discounts. Be aware that you are going to be getting 5 gold bars off if you're getting the prestigious Bounty Hunter license, so something that you want to be keeping in mind. And as I mentioned, you're getting a 30% off select Bounty Hunter outfits. You're getting 30% off the prestigious Bounty Hunter's Lamat revolver weapon variant, so you want to go and check that one out. 30% off Bounty Hunter wagon and wagon tints, and you're also getting 50% off bolas, that's the Hawkmouth, Brookstone, and the Gravesend ones. 50% off throwing knives, 50% off shotguns and shotgun style customization, and 40% off the riding and Mustang horses, which we already covered. And of course, 40% off gun belts, ponchos, and hats, which we have also covered, but it makes it a bit more, like quantifiable, knowing the exact percentage that we're getting here. So these are some really good deals. Like I said, if you want to go and get your shotguns upgraded and stuff, now is really the time to do that. I think that I'm going to probably be looking into the Lamat revolver, just getting a couple of those because I don't think I actually have those. Don't forget that we are still in the September 3rd to 9th week, and you just need to complete 3 bounties each week to get the beige morning tail coat this week. And there's different things that you can get every single week. All you have to do is complete 3 bounties each week, at least 3 of them. So I think I've already done that because I've been having so much fun with my friends online. If you'd like to join me playing, I would love that. Just, add me on and I will play with you. Another thing, because we are getting into our bounty hunter missions and rules this month, is something that I found by a Redditor called Peterak, and I thought this was broken down so well. It's so helpful. It really tells you, he's just given you like a plethora of information about what would be the best way to actually achieve goals here. So he actually was talking about how many minutes you actually stay in your legendary bounty, and essentially the longer that you actually play, then the more you get a payout. However, in order to, I don't think anybody really wants to be playing certain, like legendary bounties for 25 minutes. It's actually better to just finish it up within 15 minutes. So yeah, basically he was saying that, every 3 minutes or so, you're basically getting a 0.04 gold, increment, and it just keeps multiplying in that way. So you want to just keep, going until about the 15-minute mark, and then you can stop, because we can only complete 1 legendary bounty every single hour. And if you look at it from a realistic point of view, if you are working like me, you're not going to be spending that much time online. So you want to make sure that you're getting into some of the best paying, bounties essentially. So he's broken that down for us as well. What's standing out to me here is Etta Doyle, which is very, very easy. If you have patience, just go and hide in that train place and, just wait for her to be alone. And then you go capture her and you can just deliver her with no problems at all. You can stand outside and wait for the 15 minutes to pass to get your maximum reward. It's pretty simple. You can also try Tobin Winfield and Red Ben Clemson. I actually don't really like the Red Ben Clemson one because it's so difficult. So I kind of feel like Etta Doyle feels like the most easy one for me out of everything that I've actually played. It's just so easy. You just literally stand there and do nothing, and then you capture her and you take her. So I actually think that I'm going to consider doing the Etta Doyle missions like maybe 3 times a day if I can, like, you know, maybe once really fast in the morning and then maybe later, like, you know, in the day or something, like with my posse. But this is just a good way that you can actually do this. And of course, since this month we're getting twice the amount of gold and cash, that means that these are all multiplied by 2. So yeah, this really is the perfect time to be getting into all of this. So anyway, this is all I have for you for my Red Dead Online updates. I'll be back next week to give you more updates and the focuses of that week. And you know, I will see you soon. But I hope that you had fun going through all of this with me, and I hope that you have a wonderful time playing online.